This short tutorial is going to take you through the latest improvements to your CLUBCOUNT system. It will only take a few minutes and will ensure you're completely confident with the new functionality and how it will help you get even more from your group fitness management tool. A couple of points before we start. Firstly, I'll use the term schedule. This can also be referred to as your timetable depending on your preference and your setup, but means the same thing. Secondly, the tutorial is currently available in English, but all of your in-system tutorials will be fully translated throughout the system. The main change is to how we manage your programs. To see your programs, go to your Group Programs page in your Settings option. You will now only have one single program and logo. The duration of the class is completely separated, so multiple formats of the same program are not required. This tidies up your program list and means we only need to add instructors once to each program. The change will be applied to all programs, including those that are non-Les Mills. To see how we add a new class to the Amend Schedule page, we come to our Amend Schedule either by using the grey navigation bar here or under your Managers tab. To add a new class, we click the required time slot, remembering we must select a time in the future to create a recurring class. We select the required program from the drop-down list, and then we add the duration. This body attack class will run for 45 minutes. I can now check all other relevant details, select my instructor, and update. You will now see the single program logo, but beneath this shows the class duration as text, so it is clear which format is running. Moving to the exports, you'll see that it's clear in all the member viewed pages, for example our PDF. Moving to the Reports tab, we select first the individual program report. You can now report on programs collectively regardless of the duration. For example, Body Pump here is showing all classes using the Body Pump program. If we move to the individual class performance report using the drop-down, you will now see a duration column. This is added so you can clearly see which format is being used. To see the difference in programs based on the duration, we've also created two additional reports. Firstly, our individual duration performance. So this is reporting on all classes based on their duration. So I can see clearly here how my 30-minute classes are comparing to my 60-minute. We've also created a program performance by duration report. So here I can see how my Body Attack 45-minute format is comparing to my Body Attack 60-minute format. Existing users of the software will already have classes in their schedule and programs, which you may have set up yourselves. Please be assured that these will all remain, so your schedule will be unaffected and there'll be no loss of historical data. Any programs created to fill gaps in the Les Mills program formats will have been identified and transferred to the official program. For example, if you created a Body Attack 30 because it was not in your programs list, this will now be linked to the standard Body Attack program. Now the change has been applied, we do recommend that when you're making any updates moving forwards to just check that the data is correct and just check particularly that your staff rate of pay is correct. We hope you enjoy the new functionality, and this adds even more improvements to your CLUBCOUNT system.